The first thing we did was we found this catch release bar. Make sure this lever is up on your left hand side. Just go ahead and attach your two wheels just so it doesn't bolt. They come already pre-assembled. And just like you can tighten them all the way up, or you can just leave them and come back and tighten them later. Then find the straightest bar you can find here, which is a stabilizer bar. And you got two bolts, very long ones, and you got four short ones. And sometimes it's easier just to go underneath it, stick your bolt through, and then insert your bar on top of it. Grab a nut, insert your nut, top of the bolt, and repeat on the other side. Again, you can just hand tighten it. Just to make sure you get your bars through, your bolts through. And so these are just little bolts, and they really don't matter that much. Tighten these up. So you need a Phillips head and your crescent wrench to tighten these all the way up. Okay, that's step 1 and 2. That's done. So just set that aside. And now you're going to find your main stabilizer bar. And it's got these two adjuster nuts on the bottom of it here. And there's a short U-bar. It's the only thing that'll fit in these holes here. So just slide them in the openings. And just like that, you got your stabilizer bar connected. Now you've got 4 holes here to the side. You got 4 bolts left. Take 2 of your bolts, and you're going to try to fish them through. Take your time while doing it. You know how tough these things get sometimes. Connect your bolts. You can tighten it now or wait till later. For the expediency of speed, I'm just going to hand tighten them so we can work it right through this thing. Flip it over. And you're going to do the same thing. And the one thing that I noticed about Vevor, especially about this particular design, is that they had you assemble it upside down to the unit. But actually, the key to putting this thing together is to build it ground up. And I'm going to show you here in a second. You'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. So you probably already guessed it because we didn't attach it to the unit first. That's going to be our last step. Okay. Once you have the stabilizer bar, now we're going to attach the stabilizer bar to the main catch lever bar. Okay. Just like so. And you can see your unit is starting to come together. So grab one of your bolts with the square tip on it and insert it inside, not all the way through. Now you want to grab one of the little circle washers, and these washers go between the bolt. They go between the 2 units, so the metal doesn't rub together. And you just got to work at it to get it through, but it will go through. And this is the bolt you put on the side of it here. That silver bolt goes on. That's the whole system all the way around. That's how we're going to utilize all 8 of those bolts. And again, the same side, same thing the other side. Now this side's going to be a little tougher because you've eliminated a lot of your space. So you're going to have to use a little force to get it through. But it will go through. And now your rubber mallet might come in handy here. Just trying to get this bolt to go through. Another silver nut on the edge of it. Make sure you gotta turn the right way. Now, I'm gonna sit this here and you're gonna see how it's coming apart. Now, I've got some little blockers here to help me keep it from rolling back. But you can see how the unit itself is already came together. All right, the next piece you're gonna get is the actual catch release bar. Now this piece right here needs to go underneath the catch release. Okay? That's what it catches to. And it'll be on the top side of your bolt here, like so. Okay? So midway, we've got two holes here, and it goes in this hole right here, which are U-bolts. I'm going with your square tip bolt. So just run your square tip bolt through, not all the way because you got to put, you guessed it, washer right between it. And of course, silver nut on the side of that. Make sure you got to turn the right way. Can you get up and come over on the side over here? Get the wife to get up and come over on the side here so you can witness this piece of it. Bolts going in right here, along with the washer right here. And we're going to try to force it in. There we go. And that's how it went right there. Your bolt. Or your nut, I'm sorry, your bolt's already through. Okay? And for your last step are your handles. You've got two handles and they go inside like this. Okay? So let's start back with this one first. Your square bolt. Your plastic washer. And your handle. Okay. Oops. And don't forget your trusty nut. Now we're going to extend this out just a little bit there so we can get this end on it, and the same thing here. Now you see it starting to stabilize. Don't forget your washer. All the way through. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Handle. Bolt, washer, just that simple, just that easy. And like I say, the directions will have you assemble this thing upside down, and it's just totally complicates a pretty good design. I think it's a pretty good design. And we're going to do the opposite side of it. And just like that, your unit is together. That's it. Okay. These cap pieces go, of course, into your cap holes. Notice that you got a little slot in the middle of them, so you got to watch the way they go in. You can just tap them all in. Okay. Then you got your two corner pieces right here. They go in. And cap pieces. And cap pieces. got pieces. They're around here somewhere. And so basically these 4 bolts and these washers are what you're going to use to attach your unit into your actual saw. You have your saw upside down like a direction stated to begin with. Attach this bolt and this Allen wrench, and you're going to push up here all the way through your saw, and you're going to slide a washer and the bolt onto your saw. This will come through your saw, okay? But it'll actually come down this way if you sit your saw on top of it, like so. And that's it. See you next time.